Welcome, today I'm with DOOGEE S95 Pro and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, just drag with your finger, press to the application and drag with your finger to the another application by this way. Also, if you want to add one more application here, just repeat the action. So you can add here the unlimited numbers of the application. So for example, I'll add one more application here. Also, we can rename the folder. For example, I'll go in with the apps. If you want to remove the application from the folder, just by this way press for a while on the application and here move the application from the folder. So if you want, you can move the folder between the screens like this. Also, you can turn it back by this way. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.